So guys, this is a sample of what you should expect to see on the upcoming last quiz ever for college algebra. So you're going to have to graph a trig function. So you're going to need to graph something like f of x. In this case is what? Minus 2 cosine of 3x minus 1. Okay, so this is not a multiple choice question. So the reason I'm going over this is you either need to be able to print this graph out, or you need to be able to work on it, in some stylus and send it to me, or take a picture. Somehow I need to get this information. So what helps you to graph this, what is the amplitude of this graph? The amplitude here is 2. The period is going to be 2 pi divided by 3, 2/3 pi. Is it reflected about the x-axis? Yes, it's got that negative sign in front of it. We have not covered this as of yet. This will be covered by the last section. And there's a vertical shift of 1 unit down, okay? So in order to graph this with all of those pieces of information, first thing I like to do is, well, let's draw a horizontal line at -1. And let's just pretend like that is now my new x-axis, okay? So what I found out is that the period is 2/3 pi. So this graph is going to start here and then count over 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to end at 2/3 pi. It's a cosine function. So it normally goes up 1. So normally I would think it goes 1 above this line, but it's multiplied by -2. So it's going to start at 2 below that line. It's going to end at 2 below that line. Halfway in between, it's 2 above that particular line, and halfway in between these 2 points is 0. So right here it's 0 and 0. So what this graph is doing is something that looks like this. Okay, so that is a graph of -2 cosine 3x minus 1.